Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. Today I'm going to share with you how to make these blinged out napkin rings. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you see something that you really like and enjoy and come back again. Please subscribe, comment, and share. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. So today we're going to do these blinged out napkin rings. The materials that I use are scissors, diamond wrap, and I always measure and cut the diamond wrap out ahead of time. And these store-bought napkin rings. And the gems of your choice. And the glue gun. So the first thing we'll do is we're gonna move that to the side. We're gonna take our napkin ring and our measured out diamond wrap, and we're just gonna glue that down. So you only need a little bit of glue right at the edge. And be careful because this glue gets really hot. Then you just bring it around to the other side. Put a little bit more glue where it meets it. Then you just press it down. Hold it in place. So I'm going to set that down to the side for a minute. So for the gems, you can use any size. These are just gems from the Dollar Tree. On this one I have a small gem. So you can get any size that you like, any color that you like, whatever you prefer. So that's the small one. And on the other one, I have a larger gem. And all of these come from Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or Family Dollar. And also, you don't necessarily have to use a napkin ring. You can also cut a paper towel, an empty paper towel roll, or a toilet paper roll. You can paint it, or you can just put the diamond wrap, or you can use material over top of it. So on this one I just glued together. I'm going to use a larger stone that also came from the dollar store. So just like the other ones, I'm going to put some glue on it. And if you don't use an extra strong adhesive, you can change these out according to your occasion or the season. So I'm going to hold that in place. So it should be dry. So there you have 3 different size gems. And you can mix and match them. And that's my quick and easy bling gem napkin ring. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Excuse me. Once again, my name is Miss T. My channel is ms.t is blessed. And I hope you all have a blessed day. And remember, today is a gift. Enjoy your present and live your best life. Bye-bye.